Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by parking in the shade and confirming the dashboard temperature is safe for chemicals and tools. This prevents warping. Once done, disconnect the battery if you'll work near airbags or wiring to avoid faults. Next, inspect the sticky area closely to determine if residue, degraded coating, or migrating plasticizer is the root cause. Make sure to gather a microfiber, 70% isopropyl, plastic-safe cleaner, and a soft plastic scraper so you're ready to remove contaminants without scratching. You'll now remove the sticky layer systematically. First, test your chosen cleaner on a hidden seam for 30 to 60 seconds so you know it won't discolor. Then, apply 70% isopropyl to a microfiber and work in small patches, loosening residue with a soft plastic scraper. Short strokes reduce damage. Once tacky material lifts, switch to a damp microfiber to remove solvent traces. If the surface is delicate vinyl, use a 1/2 strength cleaner to avoid swelling and let it air dry between passes. You finish by restoring the dashboard's finish and preventing recurrence. After the surface is fully dry, apply a non-greasy, matte vinyl protectant sparingly to restore texture and block future migration of plasticizers. Buff lightly. Once coated, let it cure for 24 hours and avoid sun exposure or heavy use during that time. If the stickiness returns, check for seepage from electronics, recent repairs, or melted components. These indicate chemical migration or heat damage and require targeted replacement rather than.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.